Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Stay with us on this one. Find out what brought the wife out with us this time. She didn't start out with us, we'll put it that way. Right after this, Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Here's the situation. If I would have came this way to start with, we would have been okay. Instead, I went the long way and came around to here. Well, not quite to here. Hold on a second. Came around to there. So, all along, this is a spot that I was concerned about because I've got a good drift here and it drops off there. So I got a rescue party coming to help me out and I'm not too concerned, but I think I'm going to try and winch myself to that tree right there and get to that dry spot. And then my plan is, hopefully by then my support team will be here. And we're gonna dig a trench right there. And if I can get to this dry spot right here, I'll be fine. Well, started there, now I'm there. This X3 has an issue with the computer system and the winch. That's very frustrating. I have to shut it off and let it turn itself off, all the electricals, and then the winch will come back on. But you can only crank on it for like 30 seconds and then it shuts itself off. That's frustrating. Well, we made it that far. I just been hooking the winch to a tree there this time. I had it to that one, now I've got it to that one, now I'm going to go up further. Just keep winching a little bit. Whew, that's a workout. Alright, winched up to another tree. Gonna give it another go. This winch issue has to be taken care of. So what I'm doing is I'm using the winch to keep me up on the high side. Good plan? Because I will slide down right there if I'm not hooked up. good. You saw me come that last little pull, but you see how I'm sliding down right there? If I don't keep that front end winch hooked up to something, I'll end up way down there. Well, I'll end up sideways on that tree probably. I wasn't planning on doing a video for you guys tonight, but that's where we started. Look at that. See, if I could have came across here without having the winch hooked up, that would have been ugly. Look where those front tires going. A little bit up and then slide, a little bit up and slide. So, yeah, how cool is that? That's pretty neat. I'm breathing heavy because climbing through that snow sucks. Anyway, all right, hooked up again, back and forth and back and forth. Right? Back and forth. That's what I do. I think I can hear the other machine down the road, so this is fun. Maybe. The search party has arrived. Woo!
Okay. Mr. Search and Rescue needed a rescue.
Okay. Alright. Now stand back. The winch has to do all the work. And I worry about that tree right there.
Let's hope that dead tree is a strong dead tree. Come on. Come on. Oh, pull tension.
See? The battery just hit the amps. I was trying to keep it revved up, wouldn't do it. What I'm having to do is let this whole thing shut down. Let me show you what it does here. Watch this. Oh, right there. See that? The battery light comes on and the winch quits working. Shiz.
Oh, sweet. Maybe go push the back end. Do you want us to push? No? Nope. Okay. Let's.
Look what it's doing to that tree.
I know. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, just a little bit more. Do you want to pull the winch? Oh.
Conserve some fuel.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Doesn't it take more fuel to start it and stop it though?
Only if it's going to be like off.
No, it's gonna be idling.
Okay.
It's like 30 seconds or something like that. I don't
Oh,
know.
okay.
I'll leave that number. So were you just hooking it from tree to tree? As you...
Yeah. This is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th tree. Rocky Mountain backcountry, you guys. Like, subscribe, and watch for more stupid stuff. I told you it was coming. Here it is.
What happened?
I guess it was break time.
You take a nice rest.
Whew. That's a workout.
Do you need a hand? Oh. Let the winch do it! Let the winch do it! Oh my gosh, you're right on the freaking